Hey everyone, so you have built an amazing project, but now comes the question, how do you actually get it live on the internet? Today I am walking you through 4 free different ways to deploy your web apps. By the end of the video, you will know exactly which deployment method is right for you. Method 1. GitHub Pages. This is perfect if you have simple static website. You literally just push your code to GitHub repository, enable GitHub Pages in the setting, and your site is live. It's completely free, integrate with your existing workflow, and works great for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript projects. It's beneficial for personal website, project documentation, and simple landing page. Method 2. Vercel. Honestly, this is probably the easiest way to deploy if you are working with React Next.js or any modern JavaScript framework. Here why I love it. You connect your GitHub repository and Vercel automatically deploy your project every time you push changes. It's literally that simple. The best part is completely free for personal projects. Here is how you can connect your GitHub repository to the Vercel and deploy it. Method 3. Netlify. Netlify, which is incredibly similar to Vercel, but designed especially for static sites and Jamstack applications. The interface is super user-friendly, and like Vercel, it has generous free tiers. Here, how can you deploy your project on Netlify? Method 4. Render. Last but not least, if you are building full-stack application with backends, database, and APIs, Render is an excellent choice. Render makes it incredibly easy to deploy web service, databases, and a static site all in one place. What I love about Render is that it's simpler than traditional cloud providers, but it still gives you the power you need for complex applications. Plus, they have a free tier that's perfect for getting started. Here, how can you deploy your project on Render? If you want the easiest experience with modern frameworks, go with Vercel or Netlify. If you are building a full-stack application with backends and database, Render is your best. And if you just want to get a simple static site online for free, GitHub Pages has you covered. There you have it, 4 free solid ways to deploy your project. Each has its own strengths, so pick the one that matches your needs and scale the level. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more developer content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.